Media de Asramba Owusu Edumi. When I made a healthy soul enterprise, and organic foods Ghana. Then and some ebe kane a near ma ebe boyen na efia ewo ye mojem and na ye ni peduam no get me ahohoro. Se bi oni pa watare efia ukoto semena na wodi yesi na tare no ne na neat na enhwema se aba se ye ni pedua eye finsi ade bia o wiase ni pedua no eye finsi ade biara e wo wiase adentia ofu ka ntutu a ohumi ko mu no e wo implications e wo side effects e wo ni pedua ni ka ntutu a e ohumi akọ mu no e wo implication air pollution se wo wiase akodo ni nyina na e wo nsunsuanso e wo ye ni pedua mu eti which means ye ni pedua ni day out efin ekoye mu emfutura ye home koye mu eti ene ye besua ana ye be kirewo enema hodo a ebe boa wo ehaban hodo a wodi ko ni pedua mu a ebe boa na efin ni ade efiri system ni nti ne ye ka se na ensema ye beka no se wo hwa na wa subscribe wo question bia betinye busa ye be reply wo share ama onua e betimi aboa no plants atwe ye ho ahia ehabama nubina enuro ahodo a atwe ye ho ahia ebia wo eniema eye manipadua na emfaso a ewo no edoso betene ye fa ba bia ye be kasafa ehaban enan for plants and herbs eboa manipadua no etimi yifin epie die dikan turmeric ye de beto ohwe a thumbnail ye de beto na obi ahu turmeric one of the best planter ebetumi aboa ma oni padua no fin a cleanse a detoxify na ti you say turmeric is a plant in the ginger family that has been widely used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine to treat digestion and liver disorders. Or say, sir, plant here me body turmeric e ka ginger busua kuo ni ho. Na ukwa China any traditional medicine practitioners no ho sir turmeric na omudi treat enyarewa eba ensum ana indigestion say obi a odidi na diane no etimi digest ye ana bi mo obi a owo brebo ehun problem liver disorders turmeric no we say enna Chinese fo nti on say China fo se ne a wo mutimi nyi che no aya na bebre nti ase bi ka so mo ye ntiatia da bi omo use herbs haba hodo a day out Chinese ni one tracing nka say o ma yare abani paduan man sana wanu medo no why mistake believe say prevention is far or 100% better than cure. And does it you? Kakomin is the powerful one. Adibi a war ahwadi no be a war turmeric ma your friend kakomin no. Or say it's the powerful phytochemical component that gives turmeric its distinctive bright yellow color and stimulates production of bile by the gallbladder. Or say adia turmeric ma your friend no kakomin no. Ene ma turmeric no hu a yellow sa na o si eboa ema e friend say e kenya bal no obi ka say bal a yemfa ne say bonyoma na sa bal no bata brebo no ho ena on say titefo kan say mi say brebuo bia bonoma atare ho na ye ka say bonoma ne de ne say ene boa ma yen system na ye liver no etimi efin ahodo afiri ye ni padiem bonoma no ene boa ma ye liver no etimi efin ahodo efiri ye ni padiem ene bie mu so no eboa gallbladder no so ema gallbladder ne mfa ne say yadun so twa se mitwi ni na enye correct a wa o betimi so correct me eboa ama say niam we ni timi efin ahodo eboa liver no ema liver ni timi efin ahodo nti say o bladder no problem ba ho a detoxification be dey ebe dey ositie ba eliminate toxins in the liver and rejuvenate cells that breaks down harmful compounds. Oh, I say, ba no boa, ama brebo na yede efin free system nim. What I say, enabiem cells na break it down by harmful compounds no so. Den, e man is so strong. Turmeric. Hwe oko China and India. The no aduane. Onwa mo odigum o stimuna mo a odigum ade bi obebia ye edibu bia no pese odi bia den egum aduane esanso aye no se spice odi ase e kan spices no ho Chinese phone Indians wo de ye aduane e de no amo odi no amo ati se de why jollof no odi tomatoes ni ade ade odi jollof no se we use turmeric no aduane a sa na aduane ni ye yellow na hoode ade mani padua no enya de 20 wo hwe live a bomode ase on sabeka turmeric na ebetimi aboa mo anya hoode mo wani ade ache ye kwa another plant so eboa mani padua no cleanse eyifin efiri eni padua mu ya na ye mbrebo no yifin firi eni padua mu on say because ye kasafa yeah, I'm pressing a very long video, at least 15-20 minutes video. Now I'm on 40 minutes what I see. On the aside turmeric can benefit a woman body no detoxify no. Turmeric know a lot of benefits, but and you focus on the detoxification benefit you free. So plenty munti target say about fast why a many pediano wo mleko a wo ye ni pediano mu no e na ye focus on ana second plant ye be cause no red clover into red clover. I say red clover has long been harvested for use in a variety of preparation including teas the outside the teas ebimu the capsules any other products. Now you say the blossom support liver function. What is our planting? A boama brebuo no timie den eye adwuma. The blossoms support liver function by stimulating bile production. I say ba na ye kan wan sebno. Sa food na ye do so try to produce no. Say entimi nye ye em produce sa ba ni ye a. Ni padua no ntimi so function ye. Enti wo hwa any planter a detoxification system ni bia ne sa ekenya ye mba no na etimi ye de eboa ema body ni detoxify. And does it the blood support liver function by stimulating bile production and act as an effective diuretic. I say eboa ma ebiemu nso na kwete say onum red clover no ko ni padua no ma e kasa di bibi e diuretic ade eboa ma odwonso bebre. Ade a eboa ma odwonso bebre. Therefore emra onu red clover no bon say urine output ni ye den increase. Emra onum red clover no bon say odwonso no den increase. You see the blood support liver function by stimulating bile production and act as an effective diuretic, helping to cleanse the blood and rid the body of excess fluids. And you see eboa ma ni padua ne wo furu moja ni mu ensu ahodo woni padua ma abro so obi o ma ensu ta ni mu obi o ma wo se ensu ta ni mu enye onipa bia wo so ebi nkwase your body no is made up of 80% of water ebi mu say 70 ensu de e woni padua no ma eye nemu no ebro so a obi o ma bosane nase ayeden atatai obi o ma ebro so abosane nase atatai it is a ulusu eye red clover only problem ebe boawo ema woni padua na o se ebe ku mojam ebe ma obre bo no so ayeden anya hoden sa plant nyina so as time goes on ye be san sua emfaso awodo a yenye free sa plant yi ana ebiem make tester a planter in fact say I can fast one make tester ye many pedua na ye beda de ade be chien make tester and fast one yenye free make tester man ade be chien nemu no fortunately and ye main focus ni ye herbs a ebua na ni pedua na ifi ebua ma ye mbre bo no masa say unye liver disease say unya fatty liver cirrhosis and liver hepatitis I'm telling you when I go say yes say na uni pedua na bibi wo ma function on value ma mono monsa monum cigarette mo ye niema mo de drugs ni ade kom ni pedua mu no so far unhu bibia be da obeti se obre bo no atochi ma no and I go say say na ade na e wo ni pedua ma o damage ni no na ya ade na very essential the young make test so I say the help most commonly recommended for supporting liver function is make tester. The help most commonly recommended for supporting liver function is make tester. Open Nua Dr. Bia or a naturopath and now practicing natural remedies. Open do a recommend yama wa bra when your liver disease and a liver problem bia na make tester in a baby kind. Open bra Dr. Bia was one day on natural remedies and I was near and near my Nua and herbs was near much of herbs. And Mra o yareno. A draw very recommended the amount. Make tester. A month in Niagara. I didn't hear. Cause and fast one make tester no a year or breboni muno brebono hono. And yada kitua. And I was a year can run. Now one so yeah research na wusuya bibi found. But what they answer best subscribe to your channel also. I say it is of its active compound Silimarin. Sa Silimarin say adie bia omo ye nhwemu no omo hu say e wo make system no Silimarin. I say its active compound Silimarin has been clinically proven to stabilize cellular membranes and stimulate detoxification pathways. Oh yeah, cells. Wait, it protects cells from foreign invaders. Your cells now see nipadiano. I didn't protect a cellular membrane. And on a bois, my baby may attack your cells. And so cells no, a move back who cry any problem. Unso system no obetinka na sa adan ye fere cellular membrane no make tester no active compound e wo ma ye fere cellular membrane no e boama sa membrane so strong foreign invader bia ni ho a betimi aba wo system nim say oba be attack no ama yare at the same time no so no e sound so the e boa ama oni pavia to focus on detoxification cleansing. Money problem is so strong. It's Dr. Bia, we're naturopath, and our practicing natural medicine. Bia, when you liver disease, when you hepatitis, the do recommend the amount. Make test. Can one on for Niagara cry. But more no Bia, but make sure say make test no. It be a womb. The catwalk. Dandelion, they say ebu. Ghana have baby won confirm fitting ye ton organic dandelion powder. Plant in so and just say Planta ma mention nyina eye organic foods Ghana ye ton bi ana yenye pese nkunya unum health shop bi anso e ben wa o believe so mo niam na ye authentic ubetimi za koto bi wono wa use ebia na wontimi ntobu eho ana unum se shop bi ben ho uji so mo niam ya papa ubetimi akoto bi be wo yemu gidie na pese wo use ye niam anso na wo hwa ana wo try ye niam anso na hwe nso ubetimi akontate yen na baby a won ye de bebro na dandelion de so obi ani o say the diuretic and detoxing nature of dandelion ono no dandelion nusuban no ono ma do nso mo esanso ye de e wo fo onipadua it was the diuretic and detoxing nature of dandelion helps to regulate hormones, facilitating removal of toxins through sweat, bath and urine. I say dandelion no eboa eye fin say our body ni be a fin every system nim e de be fa either say yemba lima ana say efifire betew mo ana say ubadu so bebre dandelion dey aye nti obi o di dandelion mo no bo the say nipa no o ta dun so mo bo the say nipa no o ta eswete mo bo the say nipa no otumu se ne system no so eye dwuma yie ana se ebiem eboa ma hormones no so function yie kenya hormones na e function yie it is for helps yie amabobo so eye the finest way nipa obetimi abo ho ba free efin a ekoni padua mu omra ne ma atwe ho ehia nyina aye polluted eti ene yen kasa nkwachiri ye de besia na ye besa so ato aso ye kire o plant eboa ma wutimi yifin efu ni padua mi ame no bo ko ba mi dia de asonaba owusu aduomi mi ye natural health advocate ana me ye traditional remedy practitioner me na me da organic food Ghana na health so enterprise me dia pum de wunda ru kwa na me bo de ne say ye kire niam a obe use aye organic ebeboa no anya hoden we start to ton organic supplements, essential oils, carrier oils. There were a lot of supplements over and shop one kasa you will be excited nti ye de besia na da fofo that sounds what was masemba kwa de bia mekan say suraduane esene beyefo aso kwa de besia ebonyi ache